Good afternoon, dear students. Yesterday, last topic we have taken quotient rule of differentiation. So today we'll see its examples. So what was the quotient rule? Quotient rule of differentiation. What was the quotient rule? If y equals to f of x upon g of x, both fx and gx are differentiable functions of x, functions of variable x, and g of x is not equal to 0. Then what was dy by dx? Dy by dx is equals to second function constant. This is the function which is in the numerator. It is a first function, and in the denominator it is a second function. Okay, this is the first function and this is your second function. So second function constant, derivative of first function minus first function constant, derivative of second function, whole thing divided by second function's square. Okay, yesterday we have seen this. Today we'll take examples. So we'll start with the first example. First example. Example 1. If y equals to 6x square upon 2 minus x. If y equals to 6x square upon 2 minus x, then find dy by dx. Now student, here y function is equals to 6x square upon 2 minus x. So this will be your first function and this will be your second function. Okay. So what will be the derivative then? What will the derivative? Dy by dx is equals to dy by dx equals to second function constant 2 minus x into derivative of first function. So I will write here by using the formula d by dx of 6x square, okay, minus first function constant, that is 6x square, into d by dx of 2 minus x, getting, and whole thing divided by 2 minus x square. No need to expand this because it will not cancel with the numerator. So we keep it as it is. That is 2 minus x whole square. Getting? Any doubt in this? Yes, boys? Any doubt in this? Now you tell me what is the differentiation of 6x square? Yes. Who is present today? Abhijit, please give me your attendance. Abhijit Chattar.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishek Khose.
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Tavde. Aditya. Ajinkya Meher. Ajinkya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Akshay Apte. Akshay. Aditya Tavde and Akshay Apte is not there. Arya Dharmatti. Arya.
Present, ma'am.
Arya is there?
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Atharva
ma'am.
Veta. Atharva Veta.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Girish Manelu.
Yes, ma'am.
Navneet Kaude. Navneet, are you there? Navneet? Okay, Akshay Apte, Aditya Kaude, and Navneet is not there. Then next, Shiva,
Present, ma'am.
Suraj,
Present, ma'am. Present.
Utkarsh, Utkarsh Khaire.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Yash Ambekar. Yash Ambekar. Yash. Yash Ambekar. Akshay Apte, Aditya Tavde.
Yes, ma'am.
Yash is
Yes,
there?
he is not present. Huh? Daily he is not replying. Ambekar.
Okay, okay. Sanket. Sanket Suryanshi. Sanket Suryanshi. Farat ma'am, Shivaji Raut, Vishal Gige. Both has not joined their audio.
Shivaji.
Shivaji Raut and
Shivaji
Vishal
Raut
Gige.
and Vishal Gigi.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
And Sanket.
Sanket also, I think.
Sanket have not yet video as well as audio.
उसका
Yes.
वीडियो भी नहीं दिख रहा है, ऑडियो भी
Audio भी नहीं दिख रहा उसका. Yes,
Video
yes.
is also not there and audio is also not there. हाँ. And Ambekar is not replying daily. Yeah?
Yesterday he has
He is
given
present but he is not
ma'am.
replying at all.
Yesterday he has given answer, I think, ma'am, in my lecture. From today we'll see now.
Ambekar.
Yes, yes. I think Ambekar was there.
Okay. In between you ask him now.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So what is the derivative? What is the derivative of 6x square? It is very easy. What is the derivative? What is the derivative?
12x.
12x. Okay. So what will be there? We'll erase this. So 2 minus x into 12x dy by dx equals to 2 minus x into 12x minus x into 12x minus 6x square. What is the derivative of 2 minus x? What is the derivative of 2 minus x? Be fast, boys. 10 examples I have to take today.
-1.
Minus 1. Yes, very good. Minus 1. And whole thing divided by 2 minus x square. Okay. So we'll multiply this now because here minus 6x square into minus 1. It will be plus 6x square. And here minus 12x square will be there. So so here 12x into 2 will be 24x minus 12x square plus 6x square whole thing divided by 2 minus x whole square. So here 24x minus 6x square whole thing divided by 2 minus x square. Now from here we can take out 6x common. Yes. So what will be there? 6x in bracket. 6 4 the 24. So 4 minus x is there. Whole thing divided by 2 minus x square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
No doubt, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
This we cannot cancel 4 minus x upon 2 minus x whole square. Okay, because in that here the expansion will have 4 plus x square and minus 4x will be there. Okay, so what is the derivative then? This is equals to dy by dx. So our function was 6x square upon 2 minus x. Then the derivative is equals to 6x in bracket 4 minus x whole thing divided by 2 minus x its square. Any doubt? Should I start with the second example? This example was very easy. We'll take the next example now. Second example. Now we can change the variable also here. The second function is given in the w, variable w. So f of w, if example second, if f of w is equals to 3 times w plus w raised to 4 whole thing divided by 2 times w square plus 1. if the function in the variable w, if it is given, then we have to differentiate. Find dash of w. Means clearly we have to differentiate with respect to the variable w only. Then what will be the derivative? df by dw will be second function constant, derivative of first function. Now directly we will write the derivative. What is the derivative of 3 times w plus w square, w raised to 4? What is the derivative? Those are present. Yes, what is the derivative? Unmute yourself, boys. Yes,
3 plus 4w cube.
3 plus 4w cube. Ajinkya, you are not sitting, I think, there in front of your PC. Your brother is there. I
व्हिडिओ
think.
बी ऑन केलाय आता पेन आहे खाली पुस्तक आहे
Image was different now. Okay. So it will be 3 plus 4w cube getting minus second function constant derivative of first function. Now first function constant 3w plus 4w raised to 4 into what? What is the derivative of this? 2w square plus 1. What is the derivative?
4W.
4w. Yes.
4W.
4w plus 0. Okay, derivative of 1 is 0. Whole thing divided by 2w square plus 1x square. Okay. So any doubt in this? So here we cannot take out. So there is no common term here. So the derivative will keep as it is. It is 2w square plus 1 in bracket 3 plus 4w cube minus 4w into 3w plus 4 times w raised to 4 upon 2w square plus 1 its square. Okay. So if the question is coming for more than 2 marks, that is for 4 marks, so you multiply these brackets and simplify. Okay. Any doubt in this? So we'll take a third example. Now root is there. The third example. If f of x equals to, example number 3, if f of x equals to root x plus 2x upon 7x minus 4x square, then find derivative of f. Then find f dash x also you can write. Okay. So what is the derivative? What is the derivative? df by dx is second function constant 7x minus 4x square into what is the derivative of root x plus 2x? What is the derivative of root x plus 2x? This is your root x plus 2x. What is the derivative of root x plus 2x? What is the derivative? What is the derivative of root x?
1 by 2 root x plus 2.
1 by 2 root x plus 2. Yes, very good. 1 by 2 root x plus 2 minus first function constant root x plus 2x into what is the derivative of 7x minus 4x square?
7 minus 8.
Yes,
7 minus 8x.
7 minus 8 times x. Yes, very good. 7 minus 8x. Whole thing divided by 7x minus 4x square, its square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? So we kept second function constant derivative of first function minus first function constant derivative of second function divided by second function square. Getting? So the third example, now trigonometric function will take if y equals to fourth example, if y equals to sine of x square plus 2 whole thing divided by x plus 2, then find dy by dx. Then we have to find dy by dx. So what is the first step? Dy by dx is second function constant, derivative of first function sine of x square plus 2 minus second function first function constant sine of x square plus 2 into derivative of second function. Okay, whole thing divided by second function square. Now, what is the derivative of sine of x square plus 2? What is the derivative? Sine of x square plus 2. Yes, Shiva, Utkarsh, Ajinkya.
Cos square plus 2 into 2x.
Yes. The derivative of sine is cos of same angle x square plus 2 and the derivative of the angle that is x square plus 2 is 2x. Okay. So here we have 2x into x plus 2 cos of x square plus 2. Okay. Minus derivative of x plus 2 is
1.
1. So we'll not write that. Sine of x square plus 2 whole thing divided by x plus 2x square. Getting? Any doubt? So here we cannot cancel any term. Okay, so this will be the derivative of y, where your y function is sine of x square plus 2 upon x plus 2. Solve it properly, write it properly, because so many times when you are writing the question in the answer sheet, that time you are copying wrong. Means suppose here x square plus 2 is there. Same you are writing here x square plus 2. So please see it properly. So here we cannot cancel any term from the numerator also and from the denominator also. Okay. So the next example, x minus x square upon 1 plus 8x square. The fifth example. Any doubt in this, boys? X minus x square upon 1 plus 8x square. 1 plus 8x square. Any doubt in this? Previous examples? Yes?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So now dy by dx is 1 plus 8x square. Derivative of x minus x square is 1 minus 2x minus first function constant x minus x square. Derivative of second function is derivative of 1 is 0 and derivative of 8x square is 16x.
16x.
Whole thing divided by 1 plus 8x square. It's square. Don't forget to write the bracket square. Okay. So here, if you want to multiply, you can multiply also. 1 plus 8x square minus 2x minus 16x cube. Then this will be minus 16x square. This 16x into x will be 16x square and minus 10 will be there minus 16x square minus plus 16x cube whole thing divided by 1 plus 8x square bracket square. Any doubt? So which term we can cancel here? 16x cube and this 16x cube. Then 8x square minus 16x square. It will be minus 8 square. And this minus 2x as it is. So what is remaining? 1 minus 2x minus 8x square. Okay. Whole thing divided by 1 plus 8x square bracket square. Getting? Any doubt in this? Visible, no? Last step? Yes. No need to write this. So here dy by dx is 1 minus 2x minus 8x square whole thing divided by 1 plus 8x square bracket square. Your function was y is a function of x, where it is x minus x square upon 1 plus 8 square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt, boys?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. So next example, cube root of x upon 1 plus x square. Sixth example, if y is cube root of x upon 1 plus x square, then find dy by dx. So now, what will the derivative now? dy by dx is second function constant, derivative of cube root of x minus cube root of x as it is, derivative of the second function 1 plus x square, whole thing divided by 1 plus x square is square. If the expressions are very easy, means these functions cube root of x, 1 plus x square, so directly also you write the derivative, and if you think that this derivative will take 2-3 steps, so you write the function separately, you find the derivative and directly you put the value at that place. Okay. So here, what is the derivative of cube root of x? Yes. What is the derivative?
1 by 3 cube root of x.
1 by 3 x raised to power minus 2 by 3.
1 by 3. It
X
is
raised to power minus.
cube root of 3 means x raised to 1 by 3.
Minus 2 by 3.
So 1 by 3 into x raised to 1 by 3 minus 1. So it will be
minus 2 by 3.
2 by 3. Yes, very good. So it will be minus 2 by 3. So this is equals to 1 plus x square into 1 by 3 x raised to minus 2 by 3. Now here you can do one mistake. You can subtract that 1 by 3 from 1. So it will be plus 2 by 3. And because of that, you will lose marks for the last step. Getting? So n minus 1. Keep in mind n into that whatever the expression rest to n minus 1. Okay. So minus cube root of x into derivative of 1 plus x square. It is very easy. That is 2x. Okay. Whole thing divided by 1 plus x square is square. Any doubt? Any doubt in this? If you want to multiply, you can multiply also. Here cube root x raised to 1 by 3 is there and x raised to 1 is there. So here it will be x raised to what? 1 by 3 plus 1. 1 by 3 plus 1. 4 by 3 x raised to 4 by 3 will be there. If this will multiply inside, it will be 2 minus 2 by 3. 2, 3 are 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 by 3. Okay, we'll multiply inside. We'll see now. It will be cancelled or not. So 1 by 3 x raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into x raised to 2 minus 2 by 3 minus x raised to 1 by 3 plus 1 into 2. Whole thing divided by 1 plus x square square. Okay. We cannot do anything with this term. It will be as it is. X raised to minus 2 by 3. Now here, what will be the power? Yes, boys, what is the power for this? I'll write this side now. 1 by 3, x raised to minus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2, 4. X raised to 4 by 3 minus 2 times x raised to, here also 1 by 3 plus 1, that is 1 plus 3 by 3. 4 by 3 only. X raised to 4 by 3. So this we have to calculate again. And whole thing divided by 1 plus x square is square. Any doubt in this? Is it visible properly, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So 1 by 3 minus 2 now. Here. We'll take out this x raised to 4 by 3 common. So what is 1 by 3 minus 2? Minus 5 by 3. Yes? 1 by 3 minus 2. 1 by 3 minus 2. 1 minus 6 by 3. That is minus 5 by 3 will be there. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are not replying. I only will solve. So here, this side, what is the function? 1 by 3 x raised to minus 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3 x raised to 4 by 3 whole thing divided by 1 plus x square its square. So this is the derivative for the function y equals to cube root of x upon 1 plus x square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt? I think
No,
all right.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So here, please solve these questions properly because their powers are there. Subtraction, addition, properly you do it. So the seventh example is it is a function of y. Should I erase this? Are you writing the questions, boys? Questions or answers? Questions and answers both. Are you writing this?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write only questions and you solve it again. You can see this video, no? So, 7 questions. It is a function of y. Z of y is equals to 4y minus y square. 4y minus y square upon 6 minus y. What is the derivative? Now Yash Ambekar will tell me. Where is Yash?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the derivative now? Here we have to differentiate with respect to which variable?
Y.
Huh?
With respect to y.
Yes.
Y.
What is the derivative now? dz by dy. What is dz by dy?
Second function constant.
Second
First
function
function
constant, that is 6 minus y. Derivative of first function, that is what?
4 minus 2y.
4 minus 2y. Yes. 4 minus 2y minus first function constant. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
4y minus y square. What is the derivative of 6 minus y?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Whole thing divided by 6 minus y is square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? So now here
No, ma'am.
we can multiply inside. 2 you can take out. It will be 2 minus y. Here, okay, we'll solve it. 2 into 6 minus y. 2 minus y. Minus plus. If plus is there, minus 1 into minus will be plus. So plus 4y. Plus into minus will be again minus y square. Whole thing divided by 6 minus y square. So this will be now 2 inside. 6 2s are 18. Minus y into minus y will be plus y square. Then minus 2y minus 6y will be minus 8y. Getting? And if you want to multiply this inside 2, so you can multiply this. It will be 36. It will be 2. And it will be...
I'm 12, ma'am. 12.
Huh?
Ma'am, 6 to the 12 to the 24, not 36.
Which one? 6 to the
Ma'am,
12.
30.
Yes, yes. 12. 6 into 2. That will be 12. 12 into 2 will be 20.
12.
Yes. It is 24. Then 2y square minus 16y. Correct now? Correct it is now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think 6 to the 18 I have taken. Plus 4y minus y square. Whole thing divided by 6 minus y square. Now here 2y square minus y square. Okay, so it will be 1y square and minus 16y plus 4y will be minus 12y.
12 plus 24.
So what is the numerator then? 24 as it is plus y square, or you write it 2y square minus y square will be y square. This will be minus 12y plus 24. Whole thing divided by 6 minus yx square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Here in the expansion of 6 minus y square, we need plus 36. So if you want to make it perfect square, you add and subtract 36 and separate the numerator, means separate the terms, divide by the denominator, and if you want you can keep it as it is also. Okay, let it be. So this is dz by dy. So the derivative of the function z of y is y square minus 12y plus 24 upon 6 minus y whole square. Any doubt? Any doubt in this example?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, in the board exam, is it necessary to simplify the expression as much as possible?
No, it is not necessary. See, in the model answers, they are giving just marks for the formula, then for putting the functions in the formula and directly to the last step.
Ma'am, we have to write formula also.
See, what happens if you are committing mistakes in writing the functions in the formula directly? So many times what you are doing in the formula directly, you are substituting the functions or derivative of the functions. In that case, if your mistake is there, you will not get marks for that step. But if you are writing the formula, you will get 1 mark or half mark. Getting?
Ma'am, but if the question is of like 6 marks or 4 marks, then
See, if your answer is correct, all steps are correct, then means the examiner is not giving separate marks for the steps. If your whole answer is correct, directly 6 out of 6 marks you are getting. But if your final answer is not correct, means from the first step they are correcting them. If if you have not written the formula, then if directly you are substituting the function or derivative of the function in the formula, so they are giving that half and half plus 1 mark they are giving for that step. Getting? They are considering. But why I'm telling to write the formula, because if your mistake is there in the substitution of the formula or derivative function or the derivative, then you can you will get marks for the formula. Getting? Because
okay, ma'am.
for 4 marks, 6 marks, you please write the formula. If you are not sure about the answer, now please write each and every step. What you have to do, what you have to find, what is given, please write that if you are not sure about your answer. And if you are sure, then directly you can solve. So many students, they are writing their answers like they are doing the rough work. For that also, if the answer is correct, we have to give them full marks.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And so many times, so many examiners, they are following model answers now. So in that, if for formula, the separate marks, if it is given, they are deducting that marks. Okay, so it depends now. But if you write the formula, only one step will be added. Okay, so better way you write the formula. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 8th example.
Yes, ma'am.
8th example we'll take now. It is a function of t now. Today I have taken different variables so that the same forms we will use for the variables. Now it is v of t is given. V of t is example number 8. Example number 8. And see, now your paper for 100 marks, not for 80 marks, 20 marks for section A it is there, and from that 20 questions, 10 questions are multiple choice question, and other 10 questions means for each step 1 mark they are giving. And so many times in 1 mark also, in that model answer paper, half plus half they are giving. If the trigonometry, if the question is of trigonometry, then for formula they are giving half mark. Okay, but in the MCQ we have to give them 1 or 0. And so many times, if 2 two times students are solving section A. So what they are doing in that section A, all question 1 to 10 suppose, and again they are attempting the same question. And in that, if the answer is wrong, we have to correct the another section also. Means we have to consider that marks. If it is correct, if 2 times they are solving the question, we have to consider which is the correct question. Getting? So means this also you can. And in the MCQ type questions now, you have to write option number and the correct option. Getting? So many times if you are writing the option number correct and the answer is wrong, you will get 0 marks only for that. Getting? So write it properly for 20 marks. It is in your hand because you are getting 60 marks, and from 20 marks only 4-6 marks you are losing. Okay, so we take the equation. V of t is equals to 1 minus 10
Ma'am,
plus t square whole thing divided by 5t plus 2t cube. Now Navneet will tell me this answer. Yes, Navneet? Unmute yourself. All students. What is the derivative? With which variable we will differentiate this?
T.
With respect to t. Yes. So what is the differentiation? Is it clear?
Minus 10 plus 2t into 5t plus 2t cube.
Your voice is not audible. Yes, who is that? So dv by dt. Should I write it? dv by dt? dv by dt equals to second function constant 5t plus 2t cube. It is cube. 5t plus 2t cube. Derivative of first function. What is the derivative of first function?
Minus 10 plus 2t.
Minus 10 plus 2t. Yes, very good.
2t.
Minus 10 plus 2t minus first function as it is, that is 1 minus 10t plus t square. What is the derivative of 5t plus 2t cube?
5 plus 6t square.
5
5
plus
plus 60 square.
60 square.
6t square. Yes.
Square.
5 plus 6t raised to 2. That is 6 times t square. Okay. Whole thing divided by 5t plus 2t cube. 5t plus 2t cube. Okay. So we'll multiply this. Both the brackets. Minus 10 minus 50t minus 20t cube plus 10t square. I'm multiplying, boys, you please see it. 2 into 5, 10t square, then plus 4t raised to 4. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Minus, now 5 is a 5, minus plus, 5 tens are 50t. Okay. Then plus into minus will be minus 5t square. Now plus into minus will be minus only. So minus 6t square. Minus 6t square. Minus plus 60t cube. Then plus and this minus, it will be minus only 6
6t raised to
minus 6t raised to 4. Any doubt in this step?
4. ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, and here I forgot to write square. 5t upon, sorry, 5t plus 2t cube is square. Get it? Now simplify this numerator. What will be there? 2 terms are there. 4t raised to 4. 4t raised to 4 minus 6t raised to 4. What it will be? Minus 2t raised to 4.
2 raised to 4.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here,
50t cancel.
yes,
Minus 50t plus 50t cancel.
yes, this minus 50t and this plus 50t will get cancelled. Then, so it will be minus, this 4 minus 6 will be minus 2t raised to 4. Then minus,
Minus 80t cube.
and minus 5 will be as it is.
Sorry. 40t.
This will be
40t cube.
yes,
40t cube.
plus 40 t cube 10
Minus 1t square.
now this will be minus 11
Minus 1t square.
minus 11 t square minus 11 plus
Minus t
10 will
square.
be minus 1. Yes.
Minus t square.
Minus 5 only now. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 5 will be there. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
Whole thing divided by. Yes. Any doubt, boys? Is it correct
No.
now?
Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
Okay. So here 5t plus 2t cube x square. So this is the derivative of the function b with respect to the variable t. Getting any doubt in this question? Your v of t was 1 minus 10t plus t square whole thing divided by 5t plus 2t cube. So here the derivative is minus 2t raised to 4 plus 4t t cube minus t square minus 5 whole thing divided by the second function square, that is 5t plus 2t cube its square. Any doubt?
Hello.
No, ma'am.
Hello.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Bharat, ma'am. Okay, so this 8th example we have taken. Now the 9th example, and then we'll take the
Ma'am.
10th one. Yes.
Ma'am, please take question of trigonometric function, which involves trigonometric function.
Okay, okay. So I will give that 9th and 10th question in the homework then. Okay. In that algebraic expression is there only. For trigonometric function. Okay, we'll take. Example number 9. Example number 9. Y equals to is it okay now? Is it okay? If y equals to tan of root x upon 7x raised to 5 minus cos of x square. Okay, now we'll differentiate this. Find if y equals to this, find dy by dx. Okay, so what is the derivative now? If you want, we'll write the derivative first for the first and second function. What is the derivative of tan of root x? Derivative of 7x raised to 5 minus cos of x square. चलो बताओ जल्दी. What is the derivative of tan of root x? Yes, Suraj. What is the derivative?
Secant under root x.
No.
Secant
I think
square
square is there.
upon
Secant square is there.
upon
Secant
2
square under
x.
root x and half x.
Half into
Under root x.
Root
No.
x.
1 upon 2 root x, na?
Half upon under root 10x into secant square x.
Derivative of tan of root x. Trigonometric function is there tan. Its derivative is secant square.
Under
Okay.
root x.
Secant square under root x.
X.
Now for trigonometric function we found the derivative. Now for root x, it will be 1 upon 2
Half
root x.
in
2 root x.
Yes, ma'am.
1 upon 2 root x. Okay, now is it sufficient? Now this 7x raised to 5 minus cos of x square.
35x raised to
35x raised to power 4
4
35
minus
x raised to 4 minus
plus sine square x
ma'am, plus science
plus sine
plus
square x into 2x
35 times x raised to 4 plus
plus
sine
plus
of x
sine
square into 2x. Correct?
2x.
yes ma'am.
So we'll write 2x first and then sine of x square will write. Any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
The trigonometry question was not there. So I have written it my own. So this is the dy by dx will be second function constant 7x raised to 5 minus cos of x square into derivative of first function. So should I write this as it is? Sec square root x into 1 upon 2 root x. Okay.
Yes ma'am.
I will complete this example, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
I will complete this.
okay, okay.
So,
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Complete. Complete.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, complete, complete, ma'am.
Yes, that it was not audible properly.
Complete it, ma'am. Complete it.
Sec
Okay,
square root
okay.
x whole thing divided by 2 root x minus first function constant tan of root x into derivative of second function, that is 35 x raised to 4 plus 2x sine of x square whole thing divided by what will be there now? Sine x raised to 5 minus 7x raised to 5 minus cos of x square its square. Getting? Any doubt? Any doubt in this question, boys? Please unmute yourself. Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
no ma'am
Okay, okay. Tomorrow I'll try to take all trigonometry questions. Or you also can tell me. You ask me the questions, I will solve on the board then.
ma'am please take the questions involving 2 or 3 methods like chain rule also and quotient rule also, like that.
See, here also we have used chain rule only. Just we have not
Yes,
taken.
ma'am, but
See, what happens? Sec square root x is there. Now, so it is a expression other than x. So here you can take sec square y, where y is root x. Then you differentiate y with respect to x. Here chain rule only we have used, but we have not mentioned here separately. Getting? And this is the quotient rule. Means the formula is of quotient rule only. Okay. What I will do?
yes ma'am.
We'll take the questions and in that separately I will mention. Here we are using the chain rule, quotient rule. Okay. And you also ask your questions now for
Yes ma'am.
for the for derivative of product rule or quotient rule. You ask me, we'll solve it. Getting?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Or you can send me on the WhatsApp also. We'll solve. Okay. Any
Okay,
doubt,
ma'am.
boys? Any doubt in this today's session?
No ma'am.
Are you getting all examples?
Yes ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes ma'am.
You are not taking efforts to unmute yourself.
Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bharat ma'am.
हाँ, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.